This year is the year of Hosta, so we wanted to spend some time looking at a beautiful Hosta garden. Hosta is a really amazing shade plant and a woodland plant, so it's ideal for pretty much many of the gardens here in the Midwest. And a couple of which makes Hosta such a versatile plant, really for any garden that might be in the shade, is there's a couple different characteristics. So one is flower timing. You might think of Hosta as only being a foliage item, but you can see here some flowers are really tall and these are kind of midway finished. And then if you look down a little bit here, you'll have flowers that are just starting to finish up as well. Whereas we have to our right here, really nice flowers are just coming into bloom. It's kind of a nice lavender purple. Just beyond there, you have these really nice kind of pure white flowers. And some hosta flowers actually have a really nice fragrance. So these ones right here that are just this pure white, where there's actually no variation of color, are really quite fragrant. So, and then when you look kind of in the back behind the garden, you can see other flower spikes that are also finished. So flower timing is really important when you're picking out your hostas.